So the question is, can you vlog with these crazy little cameras? It's the big question. Today we are headed to McAllen, Texas. We're going through Houston, Texas. I'm a little out of sorts today because I don't normally take United Airlines. So the big question is, can you vlog with these things? Now, from my last video, if you remember, I had bought 2 of these Action 2 because I'm crazy. But yeah, so the question this week will be, can you vlog with the DJI Action 2 cameras? Let's see. And let's see how it is to travel on United Airlines. So these are the kind of videos that you like. Please subscribe, obviously. Hit the like button if you like these kind of videos. Till then, let's see you at McAllen, Texas. Back of the bus. Must have did something wrong. Okay, well now we are finally in my hotel. 5:30 Central Time, which means it's 6:30 Eastern Time, my time. And I left at 9 o'clock this morning to get to the airport early. So, that being said, it has taken me over 9 hours to get here. But we're here, McAllen, Texas. There's my hotel. Look how busy it is. That is amazing. This is a bigger town. This is a bigger town than I anticipated. This is Nestor with Group 3. Let's check out McAllen, Texas. Oh.